Welcome to my channel Inside Car Mix, the place where we explore the most exciting vehicles from around the world. Today, I am going to take you on a full review of the Roller Team Kronos 290 Big Camper 2025, a motorhome that is designed to bring style, space, and performance together in one perfect package. This camper is built for travelers who want both comfort and freedom on the road, and it is quickly becoming one of the most attractive choices for families and adventurers alike. Starting with the exterior, the Roller Team Kronos 290 gives an impressive first look. Its sleek aerodynamic body is not only stylish but also practical for long journeys. The bold graphics on the sides, large panoramic windows, and streamlined shape make it stand out wherever it goes. One of the most eye-catching features is the spacious rear garage, which is big enough to carry a motorbike, bicycles, or other heavy gear, making it a true adventure companion. Easy access doors, high-quality finishes, and multiple storage compartments complete the exterior package. Moving inside, the Kronos 290 continues to impress. The interior has been designed with a focus on comfort and modern living. There is a cozy lounge and dining area that can easily transform into a sleeping space, offering flexibility for families or groups of travelers. The kitchen is compact but comes fully equipped with a stove, sink, refrigerator, and plenty of storage cabinets. The bedrooms are comfortable and well positioned to provide privacy, while the bathroom is surprisingly spacious, featuring a toilet, sink, and shower with premium fittings. LED lighting and stylish finishes add a luxurious touch, making the interior feel like a real home on wheels. When it comes to performance, the Roller Team Kronos 290 delivers reliability and smooth handling. Built on a solid chassis, it provides stability even on long highway drives and ensures a comfortable experience for both the driver and passengers. The cockpit is modern, with comfortable seating, advanced controls, and great visibility, which makes driving easy even on extended trips. Its engine is designed to offer a good balance of power and fuel efficiency for a camper of this size. As for pricing, the 2025 Roller Team Kronos 290 is positioned as a highly competitive option in the motorhome market. While offering plenty of luxury features and practicality, it still comes at an affordable range compared to other big campers, making it an excellent value for money. For anyone dreaming of freedom, comfort, and style on the road, the Kronos 290 is a perfect choice.